If you're looking to streamline your lead management and improve your conversion rates with SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how to use SuiteDash effectively for these purposes, while also showing you some alternative options to consider at the end that might serve you even better. Stick with us until the end, because we've got a special offer and some key insights you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about lead capture. SuiteDash offers a range of customizable forms you can embed on your website, making it easy for visitors to submit their information. The great thing about these forms is that they automatically feed directly into your CRM, so no more manual data entry. This is key for managing leads efficiently. However, while this works well, it's not as seamless or as visually appealing as some other tools out there. Some competitors, like HubSpot, offer more user-friendly, drag-and-drop form builders with additional integrations that could save you time. Next thing, tracking leads. SuiteDash includes lead tracking tools like automated emails and follow-ups, which are useful for keeping your pipeline organized. You can set up reminders, tag leads with specific categories, and even track their activity on your site. But here's the thing, while these features are helpful, the tracking can feel a bit clunky compared to the smoother interfaces offered by platforms like Zoho or Salesforce. These platforms offer more robust analytics, giving you more detailed insights into lead behavior and performance. The third thing is automated workflows. SuiteDash lets you automate some processes, like follow-up emails and reminders, to ensure that no lead is forgotten. This automation is a real time saver, especially when managing large volumes of leads. However, SuiteDash doesn't have the same level of flexibility as some competitors when it comes to customizing these workflows. Tools like ActiveCampaign give you more detailed and tailored automation options to align with your specific sales process. The fourth thing, CRM functionality. SuiteDash has a built-in CRM system that helps you manage leads from start to finish. It's decent but fairly basic, and while it's great for small businesses, larger teams might find it lacking compared to more powerful CRM solutions like Salesforce. For example, SuiteDash lacks advanced reporting features, which could be a deal breaker if you're tracking complex metrics. Now let's talk about conversions. SuiteDash does offer tools like proposals and contracts that can help you close leads, but the process isn't as intuitive or as easy to customize as you'd find with other platforms. A more specialized tool like PandaDoc or Proposify offers better integration options and easier document management, which could improve your conversion process significantly. Next thing, customer support. SuiteDash has support channels, but they can sometimes be slow and less responsive than other platforms like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk. If you encounter an issue, you might need to wait a bit longer than you'd like to get a resolution. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While SuiteDash offers some great features, you may find that platforms like Zoho CRM or HubSpot are better suited for lead management and conversion, especially if you need more detailed tracking, better reporting, and more intuitive interfaces. These platforms also offer free trials, so you can try them out and see which one works best for your business. And now for the best part. We've partnered with SuiteDash to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial of the software, but we've also included links to these alternative tools that have free trials of their own. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check the description for all the details and take your lead management and conversion to the next level.